even if he practiced just 3 or 4 times with us, no, after resting his elbow from an injury. Jericho Cruz, the same thing. He practiced 3 or 4 times, but they came out playing well today. I think we're still a little bit out of shape. We didn't get enough rest from the off-season. But wala na rin, no? Wala na rin mangyayari doon. Hindi na rin kami pwede magpahinga. So we just have to live with what we have. No? Paul is still injured, but we hope he's back in 2 weeks' time. No? Defensively, I'm not really happy defensively. We're half a step slow than we were in the previous season. So, marami pang pwedeng improve. No? Kahit nanalo kami, hindi pa rin yung laro na hinahanap namin. No? But of course, Pure Foods is a tough team to beat. Their import scored a lot of points against us. We couldn't match up Wayne Chisholm because of the foul trouble. So that was really something we couldn't address. No? Just the sheer length and size of Bowles was a problem for us. No? But otherwise, we were trying to minimize contributions from the other locals. No? If we can't control the import, we should at least be able to minimize contributions from their locals.